If you want to know how to make these cute, simple signs to go with your laundry room, or if you have a really nice laundry room, unlike me, you open this up and it's like extremely ugly, everything's dated, so I did not hang those in there at this specific moment, then keep on watching. This is really simple. This only cost me $5. Everything was bought at the Dollar Tree. Keep on watching, you guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a crafting video. I finally have some time for once in my life to get some crafting done. So what you're gonna need, what I'm gonna do is I'm making some cute little inexpensive signs that I got inspiration from Instagram. It's called, if you want to follow it, it's called Dollar Tree DIYs, and the person made like little photo frames, and then they added this, and then they added, but I'm gonna make mine just a little tiny different because I don't want to like copy them and then put it onto my channel. So I'm making a little different. So this craft you are going to need, you're going to probably need, you can do to your preference. I'm going to make mine a little bit protruding out signs, just to kind of make them a little 3D dimensional. So I just bought two 5x7s with the white border so I could get the popping out effect. And then I got two of their sketched canvases. And I just got the smallest one, which is the 6x8 inches. You're going to need some glue sticks. And I grabbed two of these just in case I needed extra lettering and all that jazz. And then of course you're going to need a hot glue gun. Anyone will work. I paid like $5, $6 for that. So yeah, with all other ado, let me shut up and let's get into this video. This is going to be extremely easy, as you guys will see. So since I have everything opened, as you guys saw I was doing, my hot glue gun is almost done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the glass in there just so my frame, because what I'm going to do is I'm putting this in like this, so that way it has a little bit of dimension, as you guys can see. So it looks a little bit more fancier and whatnot, to actually look like, you know, hey, we dropped some money in this when we really didn't. So that's why I want to keep the glass in there, so it gives it something to stick to. Make sure you center it, because there is a tiny bit of gapping, because this frame doesn't really fit, or the canvas doesn't really fit the frame exactly, but that was the whole point. Alright, and then I'm just setting them like this so they dry to give them a little bit of pressure. I apologize, my camera died, and we're back in action. So while I was waiting, because I didn't really want to bore you guys, I obviously painted the edges of them to make them look more distressed, make them look more farmhouse. And all I did is I went in with my Martha Stewart's, this is the gray, that's the color of it, and this is the chalkboard. And why I laid that one down first is because I wanted to give it roughness as I applied the white. So yeah, that's what I did while my battery was charging, because that was my life. I was in the middle of talking, it goes boop. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start adding the letters. I got some inspiration from Pinterest. You can add whatever you want, but you guys, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. So let me hush my mouth and let's get going. Alright, so we are done. One thing I have noticed is these letters don't really stick well to this, so what I'm probably going to do is go off camera and probably super glue them down just to make sure that they're going to fit, or they're going to fit. They're not going to fall off as I hang them. And I have to cut this piece off because it is a little bit obviously portraying. And yeah, I just thought this was really cute idea to hang in your laundry room, and I will show you guys when I am done. Alright you guys, and we are done. So all I have to do is hang these bad boys up, and it'll probably go really good with my little sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this really cute, simple DIY. This only cost me $5. And yeah, I just made some really cute designs. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys thought these turned out cute. And I'll see you in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.